Little means a small quantity. Little is opposite to much. Much means a large quantity. Little and much both are used with uncountable nouns. The nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Now, example for little. We use little oil for cooking. It means we use a small quantity of oil for cooking. I will have little money during month ends. It means I will have a small amount of money during month ends. A little. A little means not much and not little. A little is also used with uncountable nouns. For example, I usually eat a little rice for lunch. It means I usually eat not much and not little rice for lunch. I eat enough rice for lunch. A little is in between much and little. We have saved a little money for our future. It means we have saved not much and not little money for our future. We have saved enough money for our future. Few. Few is used with countable nouns. Few is opposite to many. Few means a small number of. Many means a large number of. Now, examples. Few students failed in exam. Few people are not using mask during COVID-19 pandemic. In general, few is used in negative sentences. Next, a few. A few is also used with countable nouns. A few means not many and not few. It is in between many and few. For example, a few people recovered from COVID-19. I have a few friends in Canada. I have a few friends in Canada means not many friends and not few friends. Some is used with countable and uncountable nouns. Some is used to describe an undefined quantity. For example, there are some fruits in the fridge. In this sentence, fruit is a countable noun. My father gave me some advice. In this sentence, advice is an uncountable noun. Some is also used in questions. Do you have some money? Would you like some tea? So this way, some is used in affirmative sentences and in questions. And also, some is used in negative sentences. Next, any. Any is used with countable and uncountable nouns. For example, she doesn't like any fast food. We haven't received any information from him. In general, any is used in negative affirmative sentences. Any is used in questions also. Do you need any money? Did he give you any bag? These are the examples for any.